Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to unlink Facebook from COD Mobile. To unlink your Facebook from COD Mobile or Call of Duty, you need to follow the steps. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook application and log into your account. As logged in, what next you want to do is here, you simply want to go ahead and click on the menu bar from the top right hand side corner of your screen. And on the next field, you want to scroll down or just click the gear icon from the top of the page. After which, you then need to go ahead and scroll down. Under activity log, you could see this apps and website, right? You want to click that out. On this field, you'll be able to find list of applications or account that your Facebook is linked with. So what you need to do is just long press onto it or just click the arrow icon. And next you have these remove options, so you could go and click on the remove button, confirm it so, and this is how you'll be able to unlink Facebook from COD Mobile. That is all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.